Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a text box in Excel. Text boxes are great for adding notes, labels, or any extra information to your spreadsheet without affecting your data. First, open your Excel sheet where you want to add the text box. Go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. In the Insert tab, look for the text group, and you'll see an option labeled Text Box. Click on it. Now move your mouse to where you want the text box on your worksheet. Once you've drawn the text box, just click inside it and start typing. To customize your text box, select it and right-click, then choose Format Shape. Here, you can change the font, text size, colors, and even add a border or background color.